let's learn how to solve equations applying the laws of indices. And here is an example. Solve for x in 2x raised to the power 3 equals 16. Solution. 2x cubed equals 16. Now the first step here is we make sure that it is only the unknown that is at this side. Any other thing attached to it, we remove it. Now 2 is attached to x by multiplication. So we remove this 2, and to remove that 2, we do the opposite, that is division. So we divide both sides. By 2. So we have 2x raised to the power 3 over 2 equals 16 over 2. 2 goes into 1, 2 goes into 1. We are left with x raised to the power 3 here equals 2 goes into 1, 2 goes in 16, 8. 8. Now here, we are looking for x and not s cubed. So we still need to remove this raised to the power 3. Now to remove this raised to the power 3, we raise both sides. To the power of 1 over 3. Now we are going to raise both sides to 1 over 3 because we need to remove this 3. And we know 3 times 1 over 3 is going to give us 1. So we can have our x. So let's start. X raised to the power 3, all raised to the power 1 over 3 equals 8 raised to the power 1 over 3. So here we can multiply the powers. This is us 8 raised to the power 3 times 1 over 3 equals 8 raised to the power 1 over 3 fractional power. That means cube root of 8. 3 goes there 1, 3 goes there 1. 1 times 1, 1 over 1. So we have x raised to the power 1. And x raised to the power 1 same thing as x equals cube root of 8. A number so that when you multiply by 7 3 places will give us 8. That's 2. And the x we have to find here will be equal to 2. Thank you.